Hi there and welcome back to Save with Crypto. My name is Save with Crypto and I'm looking here at the Bitcoin USD chart on the 5-minute time frame. Let's just put on our indicator, which is called Quadzilla, which you can get from savewithcrypto.org/QZ. And what this is showing now on the 5-minute is a few things really. We do have this retracement level here. So that usually implies that the prices are going to come back down to that level, go slightly below it, and then go back up. Okay. Now the important thing to watch here is these two EMAs converging. The yellow one is a 21 EMA and the green one is a 55 EMA. And Quadzilla puts in this shading here when they're approaching each other at a certain rate that is likely to cause them to cross. Now if they do cross, that is normally a very bullish thing, but they don't always. For example, if we look back in the past, you can see here, they just didn't seem to want to cross at all. And indeed they didn't. And the price came down. So I'm kind of hoping that in the course of me making this video, we will actually see those cross bullish and the price go back up. And if we do have this level up here, which is a bearish retracement. So it's likely that the price might continue to go up there, overshoot it slightly and then come back down again. And then of course we'd be looking at lower levels like this one here at 123,382. But if we look at it on the 1 hour time frame, this kind of shows you where we are, and it also gives quite a clear retracement down here at 121,800. So with having an all-time high yesterday, it's quite feasible we're going to be in a range for a little while Bitcoin has a bit of a chill and everybody calms down a little bit. That said, everything is very bullish at the moment. Now, if you'd like to join our Discord, you're more than welcome, and it's completely free. Just go to savewithcrypto.org/Discord. And here we have a section called Quadzilla TA. And every time I go to post in here, I realise that Maff's got here first, and he's done a much better job than what I would have probably done. So let's read what he said today. This was this morning, about an hour ago. So he said, seems like a consolidation day for Bitcoin, which it certainly needs. Keep in mind that this is the 1-day view to get the bigger picture. A lower time frame like the 4-hour or 2-hour will give more intraday set of levels. Anyways, if the price breaks below the support line, the next level might be around 122.3, where there's some open orders. The stochastic momentum oscillator has flashed up a couple of red backgrounds indicating that the bulls are out of puff, all that running uphill for 6 consecutive days. There's a chance we could see a week or so of sideways consolidation here before the next move up. And he's saying here that that would be a very good chance for the alts to shine. That's a really good point actually. But he just concludes by saying, but the market just doesn't have that feel currently. Too darn bullish, in which case we could see a sharp correction and then another big move up later this week. Now with my own trades, I did close this one here. This was a BitGet trade where I was actually using BGB as the collateral, which you can do there, which is quite cool. And it's quite good as well because the price of BGB has gone up quite a bit over the last few days. So even though I only made 59 BGB, it's actually worth more than what 59 BGB would have been when I opened the trade. So I opened the trade at 119,757, and this is showing an average exit price of 122,111. That's because I took profit at various stages. So overall the profit was 105%. So by trading Bitcoin using BGB as the collateral, I managed to double the amount of BGB I've got, and the price of BGB went up. Happy days. Now, if you can't trade with BitGet in your country, take a look at Bitunix. Bitunix is an exchange I use quite a lot. I've actually been using it since New Year's Day this year. And at first I was a bit skeptical. I just thought, oh, it's another exchange. But I actually really like it. It only has USDT pairs, so there's no coin M at the moment, although that is something they're going to introduce. But that is about the only limitation I can see. Other than that, it seems great. It pretty much does everything that I want it to do. And you can see here's a trade I entered this morning. I'm not sure why I chose that level there. It was something to do with a retracement level that I saw last night. So I woke up and I was in the trade. It did go sort of down a little bit, and now it's back up again. So I'm currently $152 in profit. which is okay. I do need to decide what I'm going to do with this though, because I'm going to go out at lunchtime like I do every Tuesday, and I won't be looking at screens or my phone or anything like that whilst I'm there. So I think the most sensible thing I can do at the moment is just push a stop loss into profit about there, just while we go back to the chart and have a look at what's happened. Okay, so this is the 5-minute chart that we were looking at the start of the video, and you can see what happened there was the EMAs we were talking about, the 21 and the 55, they did cross bullish and the price has gone up, just as we thought it might do. Now, because I'm looking at this on the 5-minute time frame, I'm obviously looking at this retracement level here at 124.405. Now, I think to be sensible, what I should do is I should take profit there. So I might just do that at 124.405. So I want to do that with a limit order. So I'm going to go close, limit, 124.405. And I can't quite bring myself to close the entire position, so I'm going to close 75% of it. So close long, that will do a limit order. And there it is, okay. So meanwhile, the price will either go down to my stop loss and make a little profit, or it will go up there and take a bigger profit. If it goes up there, there will still be 25% in the trade. If it comes down here, it will close the position fully. So I think what I'm going to do is leave that like that, jump in the shower, and then I'll probably speed the next bit of video up so you can see what happens, okay? So currently $127 in profit with a realised profit and loss of $14.4. Okay, well, I'll sped this up 100 times and you can see the price didn't do very much. So it's probably not going to do much until New York Open actually. Anyway, so what was the point of this video? The point of the video is to show you that with Quadzilla you can make money quite easily. I've done, well, if I close this now, I'd have $119. Then I got 59 BGB from earlier on, which is worth about $250 or something. So that's not bad for a day's work, is it? I do think if you're a good trader already, it really helps. If you're a beginner, it really helps. So I think it's good for everyone. And we have got the full backup of the Discord server where we can talk about strategies, what we're doing and all that. And it is free to join the Discord server. So why don't you do that today? savewithcrypto.org/Discord. And just for the record, what happened was as soon as I went out, the trade did close. It did go up and do the take profit. So that took 3/4 of the trade off the table, making $114, 3.2%. Not amazing, but not bad. And the other bit stayed in the trade, and I closed that at pretty much break even because the price went down after that. So that's what happened. And by the way, if you want to trade with Bitunix, scan this QR code here and it gets you all sorts of like bonuses when you sign up. So I'll either be back tomorrow or maybe later today, or I'll definitely see you in the Discord later. All right, take care everyone. Please do give the video a great big fat like. Make sure you are subscribed and you've got the notifications set on all. Any questions, leave in the comments down below. And above all, get Quadzilla, join the Discord, and see you on the ice, and tell your friends.
Thank you.